Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I will be teaching you how you can add a caption to your video. While you are speaking, you see the subtitle, but we'll call it caption. Whatever you are saying, you'll be seeing the written version beneath your video. How do you do that on any video you are making? It is automatic. So if you stay with me to the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add a caption to your video just like this. Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be teaching you how you can add caption to your video. I know you must have seen some persons or some people's video while they are talking. You'll see the caption writing everything they are saying on that video. Some people call it subtitle, but we'll call it caption. So how do you add a caption to a video using your phone? First of all, you are going to download an app called Capcut. So just go to Play Store and download Capcut. Then once you download it, install it. Then you see it like this. What you're going to do here, you're going to click on Capcut. Then you see an environment like this. You will see yours will be blank because you've not done any job. So just click on New Project. Once you've clicked the new project, then select that very video you want to use. Select that video you want to use. Click Hi guys, video like welcome this.
To today's tutorial. I will be teaching.
Then you click on Add. Then you click on Add. So this is the video we are going to, everything I'm saying here, we are going to project the caption. But first of all, let me give you a bonus tutorial. You need to work on the color grading of your video. So I just click on the video. I'll come to filter. So you can play around anything here, but I love using natty. I love using natty, so I'm going to click on natty. Then I work on the brightness a bit so that it will be cool. Then I work on the contrast is okay. Then the saturation is little bit. Then the exposure, let it be brightness a bit. So the sharpness, I'll just give it a little bit sharpness. I think the rest I'll just leave it like that for the purpose of this video. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to increase the volume. If you scroll here, you will see volume because you want your video to be audible, the audio to be audible.
Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial.
Now the final thing we are going to do is to add caption to it. Click on this arrow, click on test, then you see auto caption. Remember, you are owning your data first, then you select your language, and you can use any language here. So I'm going to leave it at English. Then I'll click on start. Then you wait for it to auto generate the caption for you. Once it auto generate the caption for you, it's going to be beneath the video. Now we are done. This is our video, so you can increase the size of your auto caption. You can increase the size of your auto caption. Then we need to format the text. I'll click there. Then I love this Rubik. Okay, Rubik is too big. Let me choose something else. Serif. You can take serif is okay. Then I'll click on style. I'll click on Canva. Then I'll give it black background. I'll give it black background. Then I'll come to effect. You can play around effect, but I don't love using effect. I'll come to animation. How I want the text to be coming out. I love typewriting, something like this. Then once you're done here, you can play your video.
Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I will be teaching you how you can add a caption to your video. While you are speaking, you see the subtitle.
So that is it about that. So once you are done, scroll to the end of the video. Always delete this Capcut because you don't want people to know that yes, you did this work with Capcut. Understand? So sometimes you need to keep some secrets. Understand? So that is how you add caption to your video. So once you're done, come to this place, select the output, the resolution, but you can leave it at 1080p. Once you're done, you just click on this arrow here to export. So this is how you add auto caption to your video. If you find value to this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that whenever I release next video, you'll be the first person to see the video and watch it. Thank you very much. If you have any question, I want you to drop it on the comment section, or if you have any video you want us to do, just drop it on the comment section and we'll come down there and reply to your comment. Thank you very much.